In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with True Fibonacci in a very small account. Right now it has $433 in this account. The initial deposit was around $250 and we made a profit of around $184. We opened several trades in this account. I'm going to show you a demo on how you can open a trade using the True Fibonacci's own dashboard. Right now the True Fibonacci is attached in this particular platform. I'm going to open the True Fibonacci dashboard. This is how it looks. You can see all the signals from True Fibonacci are coming into this dashboard. And if you enter the Trades tab, you can see the trade possibilities. These are the trades which you can trade right now. This platform is very powerful. So you can trade directly from here to your MT5 platform or MT4 platform itself. You don't want to come inside the platform and make it. Let me take a trade. So I'm going to open positions in all the particular signals which are given. This is the lot which I'm going to take. So for the example I'm showing, I'm going to take a 0.1 lot. And then I'll press the split button. So what happens is right now this 0.1 lot is split into all these trades. So what I mean by this is that I'm not guessing, nor am I betting myself into one signal trade. I am splitting the whole risk into all these signals which are given. So I'm going to place the order now. I have this group sign checked, and then I'll click place order. Let me explain a little more on that. You can see your request is being processed, please wait. What is happening is your command is going from here to the platform, and right now the order is being placed. You can also see the live balance of the MT5 platform, equity, margin, free margin, and everything else. These orders were piled up together and given a name as a group. For example, it was given the name as Group 6. The concept of this particular trading is live closing the trade in a group in profit or group loss. That is the whole concept. I can show you the history of how we made it. These are the trades that were previously opened. You can see that these are the signals which are given at the same time. All trades which had been opened were using a split mechanism. So altogether we made a $68 profit here, made $300 profit here, made $16 profit here, and here we made a $62 loss, and so on. So the concept is you are not trading in a single pair or a single counter. So you are opening and trading in multiple pairs, but you are maintaining your stop loss and take profit in a single way. For one group, you're going to have a take profit or a stop loss. For example, this whole trade together is giving a minus $2. It is running at a loss. So the concept is you can have a TP here. So for example, I will put it as 20. So a $20 profit we will get on this whole trade, it will be closed off. Or you can have a group SL. I can put it as an $80 stop loss for the whole trade. So if you want to exit this particular trade, you can exit down. You can go to the platform and see all these trades being executed is the same running in the dashboard. So if you get another trade possibility, you can click on that and it opens another group. And that group will have another name, so there will be no confusion. Altogether, you can also have like a total TP or a total SL also. If you have 2 or 3 groups open at the same time, you can place them all together. So if all trades come under like $50 take profit, you can close it down. Or if all the trades came under a $100 stop loss, close it down. This particular panel helps you to manage multiple orders at the same time. So that's the whole concept. Once you buy, you will get a complete class on this. We will have a complete session with clear explanations on how to use the panel. So I'm looking forward to doing that with you. The concept is very simple. Using this method, we can split the risk into multiple classes. So wherever the market goes, wherever the particular pair moves up, it is not a problem at all. So we can handle even the smallest of accounts. This is the reason why we're showing you this very small account. Think about if you had a margin of $2,000 or $5,000. That would be really good. So this video of a small account shows that trading can also be done using this method. As you can see now, I've been waiting for several hours. Now the group which we opened is already running in a profit. And as you can see, the overall running is around $11 in profit. So what I'm going to show you is how to close the group. You can leave this group if you want, but usually I close the group in $10 to $15 profit every now and then, so that I can go to the new set of trades. Here you can also see the other set of trades in which trade possibilities are already going. And if I want, I can just open these trade groups. But before I do that, I want to show you how I'm going to close this group entirely. So I'm just going to check the box, and then I'll click close. I will show you the MT5 for the clear. These are all the trades which are running overall, and it is running at an $11 profit. So as I've explained, this method is like splitting the risk into multiple counters, so you don't bother where the counter goes. Even let's say if we take the complete opposite of this group, so at that point only the Euro and JPY will be in a profit and other things will be loss. So we will be in a net loss of $10, but that's not a problem. We can just leave it for a few hours or one day or something like that. It will have a reversal and you will have a minimum profit that you will get out of the trade. Right now, let me close the whole position there. Click the checkbox and I'm going to click close. You can see your request is being processed. Please wait. You can see all the trades have been closed here. So you can see now, you can go to the history tab and see the groups if you want. You can see the particular group is being closed. The group profit is mentioned individually to make tracking easier. So now I'm going to open a new set of trades. I'm going to click the whole group and place order. And again, we see your request is being processed. Please wait. You can see in MT5 that all the trades have been placed. So there you have it. This trading works. So this will be helpful for most of the traders, specifically for people who trade in a low capital. This will be the best way for you to hedge your trades. Thank you so much for watching.